How to log in to your Dillards credit card account. Hey everyone, welcome back to a new guide video of 1-2 step. If you're also trying to log in to your credit card of Dillards, then in this video let me show you how you can easily do it. Now before I move on, make sure you subscribe to our channel and also hit that notification bell so you are notified for more informative videos just like this. In the search bar of your web browser, search for Dillards credit card and you can see this search result which says Dillards card services. You just need to click on this link and it's gonna take you to the website of Dillards. Now on the bottom you can see this login box. In these boxes given, you firstly need to type in the user ID of your account. And in the second box, you need to type in the password. If you don't remember the password to your account, you can click on the forgot password link. And you can follow these steps to successfully recover your password. If you do remember it, you can type it in. And after you typed in both of these information, you can click on sign on. And as easy as that, you'll be successfully logged in to your Dillards credit card account. Be sure to subscribe, share and also give this video a thumbs up if you guys found this video helpful. And if you want more videos just like this, make sure to hit that notification bell so you get notified for more informative videos. That's pretty much it for today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one.